I'm going to try and keep this video as simple as possible for you. So today we are going to be converting a PDF file into Google Docs and how to potentially edit that file, okay? The first thing you need to do is step 1, go on Google, sign on to your account, go on the Google Apps and go to Drive. Yes, we do need to go on our Google Drive because what we need to do is we need to upload a PDF file that we have in order to convert it into a Google Doc. Now, I'm going to go to New, I'm going to go to File Upload, and I'm going to find the file that I want. So it is here, this is the PDF that I want. And I'm going to press Open and let that download. So once it's downloaded, you can see that over here there's a small nice green tick and that just shows that it's been downloaded. I can either click on this or I can refresh the page. I'll show you both. If I click on here, this is what happens. So I can actually see up front and up close. It also gives me a drop down menu and I can see what I want to open this document with. If I refresh the page on my Google Drive, there we are, it should arrive here, okay? And all you have to do is you have to right click, open with, and then you find what you want to open it with. In our case, we want to open it with Google Docs. Now, when it opens, okay, so this is what it looks like when it opens. So you can see the first impression is that it doesn't look exactly like it. Doesn't look exactly like the document that I uploaded. It also doesn't have the logo that I had in the corner. So if you look at this here, and this is what my PDF actually looked like. You can tell that I had the logo here. The font was different, different colors as well, slightly. So the problem here, well, it's not really a problem, but what the situation with Google Docs is, it's based on text. So any images that you have in your PDF won't be included in your Google Doc. So those are things that you would have to insert at a later point. But what you can do is that you can actually edit this text, okay? So for example, hi there, how are you? Okay, so I can type, I can delete, I can put spaces, I can edit, any spelling errors. I can change the font, let's say 30. I can make things bold. I can change the colors. I can even change the font here. So you've got fonts down here. You've even got more fonts that you can find. Let's say I want this one and I press OK. And then you can obviously do the same with the rest of this document. Now, if you want a logo, what you would have to do is that you would have to save your logo as a PNG or a JPEG file, and you'd have to insert it into the document. Now, I will be going into more detail in regards to how to insert and move an image around in a Google Doc file, because it is a little bit confusing at first. But just for the sake of this video, I will show you very quickly what that looks like without actually going into detail. I will be uploading a video, so if you are interested in how to do that, please check out my videos. So just for the sake of this video, we're going to go to Insert, Image. You can select from a URL, a camera, photos, even from your Google Drive. You can search the web. But let's say for me, I want to upload from my computer and I want to upload this icon, okay? So I'm going to imagine that this icon is my logo. So I want to bring it in front of the text, okay? And I want to do that as fixed position on page, okay? Because now I can move it around, okay? And all I want to do is, let's say this is my logo. Now I have the image on my Google Doc. And there you go. So this is my logo. If I want to change the text here, I can change the text. I can change the font if I want to change a font. And I can make it look exactly, or at least as similar as possible to my original document. And there I have it. This is how you convert a PDF into a Google Doc. And if you want to save it, all you have to do is go to File, go to Download, and you have different options here. So if you want to, save it as a PDF, so you just press PDF, and that should save that for you. And once I click on that, there I have it. I have now got my new PDF. Okay, I hope this video has helped you guys. Please press the like button, leave some comments for me if I've done a good job, and check out my other videos. I've got quite a few videos coming up soon. Ciao!